If you visit Costa Rica, it's a must that you try its special dish called Olla de Carne, or its own version of the traditional beef stew. It's a mixture of special local ingredients such as corn, cassava, and taro root. For this recipe, it yields 12 servings and the cooking time is 1 hour. How to make Olla de Carne. Main ingredients: 8 cups of water, 2 pounds lean beef, 1 cup potato, 1 pound cassava peeled, 1 pound carrot, 5 corn on the cob, 1 pound taro roots peeled, 1 pound sweet potato, 3 green plantains peeled, salt to taste. Of course, the star of this recipe is beef. To give that rich flavor, combine 1 pound lean beef and 1 pound lean beef short ribs, all cut into 3 4-inch pieces. Corn is usually an important staple in Central and South America, which explains why it's included in the dish. Meanwhile, the plantains make the stew more filling to hungry eaters. All stew begins with carrots, providing that new element and rich flavor. Sweet potatoes offer a sweet flavor, while the cassava offers that unique flavor. The starchiness of the taro root also provides a slightly sweet flavor to the stew. Step-by-step instruction. With a knife, cut the potato, cassava, and taro roots into bite-sized pieces. Cut the corn and green plantains into 3-inch pieces. In a saucepan, heat water over medium-high heat. Add the salt and beef and cook for 20 minutes. Add the carrots, corn, plantains, and cassava and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes have passed, add the taro roots, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. Cover the saucepan and cook for another 25 minutes until all vegetables are cooked. Serve and enjoy with a bowl of rice. Many people I know serve Olla de Carne, a sweeter side dish to balance the flavor. Fried foods such as yuca or nampi are great accompaniments of this dish. You can also serve the stew with beans. Make sure to bookmark our site, as we'll be adding many more Costa Rican recipes very soon.